Welcome guys, this is Cadet Preeti Putswami here for all my girls over there today. Okay, let's begin with a small question. Can girls join Merchant Navy? Obviously yes. Why do you think that girls can't join Merchant Navy? Tell me why. Okay, most of the people think that Merchant Navy is a male dominating field. Yes, it is a kind of male dominating field just because of the male and female ratio in it. There are a lot of men in it. Women are not even 10% compared to them. There are only 3 to 7% of women in the whole seafaring community. Okay, most of the people even tell that salaries and promotions vary. I say it's a big no. You do the same job for the same number of hours with the same hard work. So why would the salary vary? Nowadays, Merchant Navy is trending and getting viral just because people think that they can earn in dollars, they can travel all around the world, and they can enjoy their life staying in Merchant Navy. But that's not an actual fact. Merchant Navy is an uniform job. You have to be more disciplined, mannered, and consistent, which you'll get to know more about it when you join your institutions or your colleges. Obviously, it is very easy to join an institution. A girl and a boys are treated equally in an institution. It is no different from other colleges which are over here. But the schedule, the way you live there is wholly different. Let me tell you guys the whole process of joining Merchant Navy. It is no different for a men and women. It is the same process. Firstly, you have to fill the IMU CET form. Next, you have to fill the companies and colleges form. You have written examinations and interviews. Written examination is online or offline based on the institution or the companies you have applied for. Even the written examination is the same. And next comes your interview. Interviews are mostly offline. Some of the institution may conduct it online, but it is mostly offline. You may have to travel to many states just to write your writtens and give your interviews. So plan accordingly. Next comes your medical examination. Yes, you have to do your medical examination in a medical center which is approved by DGS, which is Directorate General of Shipping. Next comes your psychometric test. It is given by the institution which you are about to join. Then, after all these steps, then you are admissioned into an institution. Then some may get the sponsorship earlier, which means like DNS. If you are doing DNS, sponsorship is mandatory as MUCT. If you are going for BSc, you will be placed in the institution which you are joining right now.
If you are someone who is looking for English classes for IMU CET and sponsorship preparation and want to join Merchant Navy, there is a link in the description. Fill out that Google form.
Requirements a girl student should meet to join Merchant Navy: 10+2 with PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, at least 50% in English, and an aggregate greater than 60% in PCM for an engine cadet, an aggregate of at least greater than 70% for a deck cadet. And your body mass index should be in between 18 to 25. Greater than 25 may lead to rejections. Then comes your eyesight. You should not have any color blindness and you should have an eyesight of 6/6. It may vary. You can have 6/12 too in one of your eye. And minimum height of an girl cadet should be 145 centimeter. I know it won't be that easy for a woman to go out, stay away from the family and lead a life on board, work there for 6 to 9 months away from the family. You may miss several events, several festivals, several funerals of your close ones. You may even miss your own marriage sometimes. But this is same for both men and women. Both men and women compromise and they sacrifice their lives when they are in the seafaring community. I know previously you may have heard of too many incidents on board, but that's not the same now. The time has changed and the seafaring community has differently changed. Safety for girls is considered at the peak. You don't have to worry about it. Every company has their own policies and regulation for a woman. If you feel like you're being troubled, you have always an helpline waiting for you to help. While you are in an institution, you'll get to know how you are treated among all the men over there. You'll know how on-board job is. You'll have the same environment over there, so you can experience the same life. You'll get to know everything when you join an institution. But joining an institution, you need some hard work, clear your IMUCDs, do your homework, and you'll be there for sure. I know just by a single video, you can't be convinced to join Merchant Navy. If you have any more queries and to convince you more, there'll be more videos uploaded. And if you have any queries, then just you can give us a call or fill the Google form given below. Our team will contact you and guide you one-to-one until you achieve your goals. And if you want to clear MUCT in this given attempt and waste no more time, here we are. We'll lead you in every steps. Thank you and bye-bye. We'll meet you in next video.